Here we are at the Dirt Road Lesbians.
So we need masks.
On our first Ms. B. Havyn cutting of the honeycomb. Let's choose a really good one.
Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of a close up here.
Is a bottle of water here
Capped,
for you?
Oh,
totally capped honeycomb.
wait, we're coming in.
Oh. Sorry.
Coming in to set
This is the first
before-
time I've seen it.
Oh, it's emotional, isn't it?
Yes, I've got to put a Prosecco in the fridge
Yes, get that
to
Prosecco.
celebrate.
Thank you.
You can see the honey already dripping off of it.
Oh, I'm just gonna come over here because it's a lot closer. No, you
Okay.
guide me.
So we stick it on that little nail and hopefully I don't cut the frame like I did the first time, remember? So you're just supposed to, now we have not done this before.
Want me to read from the book? No, read it.
No,
You can
you-
go up or down, they say. Just don't let it, don't get cut, they say. Or you can use the fork.
Should somebody else hold it?
Yeah. Do you want me to hold that? Thank you.
Oh,
There it comes.
Okay.
See that honey dripping off?
Yeah, honey.
Operation.
Operation.
four-handed procedure.
Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Sound like the handy hag Terry Dame.
Shout out. Shout out.
Shout out.
Shout out.
Shout out to our mentor, Terry Dame, the handy hag. You can find her on her website. Whoa. So we're catching it in this, whatever this is called. What is this called, Karen? A
Frame?
sieve? A frame?
Oh, we're catching it into this
So,
strainer.
trainer.
Clean that off of you.
And then you take this pick
Oh.
and you pick off. I also saw this from Terry Dame Handy Hag. Because you want to open up all the wax without hurting the foundation underneath of it. We did not know all this last time.
Did we gouge some?
Oh, we gouged, we cut. They were also had been frozen. They were moldy. They were from our friend Barb Harper and Wendy Kaufman, who gave us
Shout out to Bob and Wendy.
for their
Thank you
hives.
for the equipment.
I think that's pretty good. What do you think, Kath?
I think that looks great. I don't know what's all that white on it. But it's probably okay. I'll trust you. That's good.
Flipping to the other side. Oh, that's how she.
How many of these do you have?
8.
Eight.
You don't have to film all of them.
Yes, you can edit. You don't want to have to edit too much.
Yes, well,
Yeah, the
we'll
first
go-
one.
we'll go
First
to
one is
that.
good, right? The
all right.
The premiere.
Close up. Smile. Honey.
honey.
No, the honey.
So, folks, that's how you uncap a frame. And now, take this off. I don't think we have to.
Guess not. I think it's not. No, I think we can roll it.
And now, we remember which way they go in. Oh my god, that is so freaking gorgeous.
Hey, I'm gonna help you move this so we're closest to the.
Okay, watch out.
Okay.
No, don't tip that. Push that back on. Okay. Maybe it goes the other way, I think, because it's tipping forward.